Okay.
So, while we were away, we did get our chicken tractor, and we partially got it set up. We just got to finish doing the wiring on it, but it's pretty spacey. It's supposed to be able to hold up to 40 chickens. Would you look at that? It's so beautiful. Gotta finish getting it wired sometime this week, and then she'll be ready to go. Then we got a fireplace that we ordered, and I got set up the day before yesterday. We had a little fire last night, and it got a little too cold, and so we put it out and went back inside. But not a bad one.
Change out the duck's water.
Yeah,
Or what? Not clean water. Comes Luke the rooster. Comes the chickens. I think they're getting some food that they've already ate. So we named the ducks. We haven't named the gray one yet. But this is Donald, Daisy, and not Donald, Daffy. The black and white one over there is Daffy, Donald, Daisy. And we haven't figured out if that's a male or a female yet. We think it's a male, but we haven't named it yet. We've written about one egg. We haven't named her yet. So if you got any names, let us know. Little white hen right there. Same thing with the gray duck. If you guys think of a name, just put it in the comments.
there you go, my ladies.
You talking?
And that's going to be the end of our video for today. Thank you guys. Go ahead, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. God bless you, and have a great day.